it reflects the entire botanical garden theme, which is tropical.
Okay.
Yes. And also, we would like to emphasize on the concept of the park itself, which is like, because according to our previous site analysis, we found out that the Putrajaya Botanical Gardens is featuring different collections of plants. So we would like to emphasize on that, and that's why we propose that tropical garden concept. And also the softscapes and the softscapes and the hardscapes in that the tropical softscapes and hardscapes, they have features and they have unique functions. Let's say they humidify the air, they clean the air, and they have some kind of cooling effect.
So the sockets that we chosen, like Villas, they are actually rated air pollution tolerance index.
What?
The air pollution tolerance index.
High pollution tolerance index?
Highest rating in the air pollution tolerance index.
Like how?
Yeah. It's like they help to prevent the air pollution, like let's say smoking and stuff like that.
So they absorb the smoke?
Yeah, it's like they sort of
Purify.
the wind pass, right? They filter in a way. Okay.
How do you get that? Sure? Yes.
Then the money plants as well. They prevent VOCs. VOCs, the
VOC?
volatile
Organic compound.
Yeah. So like it's
But there's no research on that.
Yes.
okay.
Bougainvillea, do you think so? What if it's a raining season? They can't grow well. How do you prevent the pollution? It will like they have like a lot of flowers coming out during the hot season. You can see like the flower can very big, very vibrant and all. So this is the first time I heard that you guys it prevent pollution and all. So I don't think so. Okay, like number one, the bougainvillea is like flowering shrub. And when you say when you talk about tropical, it's not really tropical.
Bamboo is not also
There's
tropical, not
tropical
really.
bamboo.
Like what?
There are tropical bamboos.
The name is tropical bamboo, but we seldom use bamboos in tropical concept.
Because in the photo, bamboo is together with the stone and it reflects more like a Japanese style.
Japanese or
We
modern.
have like stone, bamboo.
This one okay.
Yes, palm is
Yeah.
And like because like as
Japanese palm.
as we have mentioned, like the tropical softscapes, they have certain functions, and when we think of tropical, we think of vibrant colors. We think of vibrant colors. We think of the sun and all this kind of stuff. So that's why we propose the hibiscus and the canna durban. Canna durban, besides having vibrant colors like the orange and the yellow, it also have certain fragrance when you pass by it.
Fragrant, are you sure?
Canna durban, yeah, it's a fragrant plant.
Canna is just leaves.
No, it's got
It's
flower.
more leaves type, right?
Canna itself, I don't know the durban species, but canna itself doesn't have any fragrance.
Oh, fragrant.
But this one, I don't know. If this species, the special species, canna durban probably, I don't know, have fragrance, I don't know. But generally, canna species doesn't have any fragrance. But they got beautiful, the vibrant flowers, yes.
And we believe that this actually gives off that tropical tea.
This one okay. The type of hibiscus, I don't think so.
Hibiscus, because Putrajaya is like a national sort of recreational park, so that's why we put in the hibiscus, because hibiscus.
Where do you want to plant that tree?
Probably at the entrance here. So that when they enter, they can see.
Okay, one thing about hibiscus, you can't really control the growth of the plant. So it would be you need to trim. Like if you say you want to do somewhere around here, for example, can you take my pencil case on the table. Because if you think you want to put here, kan, tak pencil lah, nanti pen habis nangis. It's okay. Kat sini, okay, if you like elevation, right? So if like say, katakanlah this is your height of hibiscus, so you want to have like something like this, control, if like plant like this kind. Okay, this is the trees for example. So this one actually, you need to control the height and the shape of the individual tree. So looking at this, you see the overall, the hibiscus, the originally, you know, you can. So this is the canopy front. They can keluar. So you need to trim, and when you trim that pokok, it will somehow disturb the growth of the flowers. So end up it's just like all leaf without flowers. That's the problem. So when you talk about tropical, this is what Miss Rini is saying, that the layering technique. So which means if you have this one kind of thing, so when you have trees, they got two already layers. So here and here. So if I have another one here, so probably in another area. So they have that so-called the tropical layering in your area to represent your concept thing. Yes. So which means the bubble would be, this one is the trees, for example this is the shrub, so probably this is the whatever, another shrub, mid shrub, whatever, so this one is the trees. So when you convert this one, it could be like something here, another one here, another tree here, so called as a layer.
So this layering, they actually can help the growth, maintain the growth.
You need to propose the right planting.
But the layering is sort of represent the tropical.
Yes, it could be. Okay? Because you're talking about the entrance area. So you need to attract people to go to your area. So you probably have something that in common so that people want to look, oh, what is that? Right? Okay. What else?
And also move on to the, okay, we'll be talking about the softscape and hardscape first because it's related to our concept.
Okay.
So moving on to the hardscapes, right? Because we understand that our park visitor center is actually more for like management, more for the office. So our aim is to keep it as like a symbol of the park, and besides that we are designing our layout to suit the needs of the office.
Like what?
Okay, because like we believe that the landscape, it provides a relaxing function to the people in the office. So we propose relaxing hardscapes, like for example the trellis, for example the gazebo.
Okay.
Okay, so so this is the office, right? When they come out, they can just go here to the sitting area, and in our sitting area we have we propose a gazebo because so that they can go there, so that they can like go there, chill and have a smoke, and at the same time they can observe the lake.
Yeah, because
Yes.
the lake is here.
Yeah,
Oh, so this one is overlooking the lake.
yeah, it's overlooking the lake.
But this one is the back.
Yes.
Can we do
Side of-
opening for the office, like windows?
Yeah, but you meaning that you just want to have view. Might as well this one you turn, and this post is actually overlooking the view.
But they enter there, then go all the way up there.
You can buat another one entrance here. If let's say your porch is here, this is the entrance.
Yeah, but like this is like easier for them. So I turn then it's go all the
So
way
you
up.
put here. Put dekat sini. So porch is here. So at least another side is overlooking.
All this like turn like this.
Yeah lah. But looking at this is like a back area. Without anything. You okay, if I to draw, this is the katakanlah this is the roof. Alright, this is already the lake. If you have opening over here pun, it's like what do you have here? You don't allow people to really go and experience. You just experience inside. You might as well propose something, you know, probably you either this one is your porch. So semi shade you can sitting over here, I don't know. So you can really see the view of the lake, experience the fresh air as compared you know you are in the office and you just have to appreciate the view within the window. Might as well you go like experience in real.
And then they can come out to the sitting area also. So if you're thinking,
I think that area, that space, you need to rearrange a little bit.
Are you catering for the visitors or for the office?
no, just for the office.
Not for
Because
the
we
visitor.
already have existing info center here. All the rental service and the info are provided here. So we don't want to propose another one which has a similar function.
This is actually more for the management, for the business.
Okay,
For the office.
so which means if you say you want to have that one, you can say this is your office, for example. Okay, you provide. This is the point. So from here you can have whatever lah gazebo here. So they can probably gazebo here, so you have a space. People can experience patio or whatever. Memang they really like sit by the pond. As compared you have.
Because actually, from the arrangement, I think you are blocking the view for the visitors. I mean, but Miss Ifa said just now, it's better if you rotate the office so that both visitor and the office people can enjoy the view. Because now you are blocking the lake actually. See, maybe you can rotate the office, like what Miss Ifa did just now.
Okay, go back to your concept.
And then moving on, our next hardscape feature is the trellis. Shows a place here.
What is the collection of plants?
Collection of plants, because we want our park visitor center to reflect on the character of our Putrajaya Park, which is to the collection of plants.
Can you put every collection? You have a lot of.
What do you? I mean, the space is like. What do you
Is
name?
it a nursery actually, right? Or like a display, this collection of plants?
I mean,
The
actually,
space, the name of the space. That one is more like the function of the space collection. But the name of the space is
It's
like
nursery.
or nursery.
more like
But can you put every plant type?
not all lah.
Not all,
Yeah.
meaning that
The
Is it how?
significant ones.
significant one.
What do you have in the existing info center?
They have all the information
Yeah.
regarding
Information, the exhibition of their plant species. And then
They
also-
already have that one, right?
Yes, and
but they
also
don't have all, I think. Yeah.
They
That
don't
time we
really,
see.
yeah, they have all in the display, the glass displays. And they're all like dried and
So what's your idea
this
for that? So they want the real one or what?
is like the growing one can be.
If let's say I have a traveler's pump in your park, how do you display such a very big tree in that
I don't
space?
think they are displaying.
No, we can't
Just
use that
the
one.
we
Just
are
a
Playing
slide burst,
more
those
on
kind.
like
Yeah.
Is it the one at your site? I mean, you know that area you have this
in the
different.
palm
Yeah,
garden.
yeah. I mean, you want to put all those plants, collection of plants from where? What kind of plants actually? Is it based on the park?
It's based on the park.
Right.
Yeah, but only for the climbers since the
Only
Chinese-
for the climbers. Why?
It's quite confusing.
Yeah.
like they
What do you need a specific area for just climbers?
Canvas is not for
It
display.
doesn't, yeah. I know the collections of plant space. I think you need to.
Okay, what collection do you have at your site?
Just a
Different,
lot.
different garden, right?
We
That's a
have
lot.
the hibiscus.
Okay, what else?
We have
Pandan,
African,
right? You have
we
pandan.
pandanus, palm, kanawak, and bougainvillea, the bougainvillea tunnel, and the African collection, American.
I would say if you have a lot of collection, might as well you just pick one or two from the collection that you have in your whole area. Then you replant at your area. All over the space. I don't know whether
Could be.
probably you have like this one like a very big one. So probably have this one is just for collection.
Doesn't have to
1A.
restrict in that.
Doesn't have to be like
particular
one
area. It could be
the
designed
selection
in the
of
whole site.
plants, plantings probably come from the collection that you have all over in your area. whole park. So I think that's more
But
ni
they
kan.
are doing tropical. How do you relate back to tropical?
But again, you say just now your existing concept botanical garden is actually
Collection of plants.
the botanical garden itself is actually the existing park. The existing concept of the park is actually tropical itself, right? So probably the collection, I think the plantings already tropical.
Reflects the tropical.
Yeah. So you don't
To
have
use back the trees
Yeah.
at your side.
Maybe you organize it nicely, then okay. And you blend in with the other elements, other landscape elements, could be okay, I think.
Organized.
I mean the plantings,
arrangement.
the arrangement. You rearrange it nicely, and then blend in with the whatever hardscape you have, you want to propose. Then okay.
Because at the moment you are like dividing your botanical plants with the common tropical plants. So it's not really related to your park. Might as well just blend in the plants at your site.
Is it using the similar plants?
Yeah.
I would say.
Using the similar plants.
Like pandanus, like hibiscus, what else
To
again?
represent the identity.
Yes.
Yes.
That would be better, I think.
We also put the trellis here because the restroom is here, right? And then there'll be like a window coming out for ventilation.
So it's like
So then there's like air fresheners and stuff inside the restrooms. So we wanted to put like money plants to grow on the trellis.
Okay.
So that it prevents the air freshness smell and stuff.
But you have to bear in mind trellis or pergola. It is trellis.
Because they say trellis is like a cover kind of thing.
Also the reason.
So is it your porch is? Do you have any idea of the porch? Because the way I see your bubble, it's like connects to the sitting area. It also connect to planting and exit.
Porch is just like actually attached to the park to the center part. From here you can access the sitting area. Then after the left,
What's the sitting area?
the purple.
Gazebo.
The gazebo.
For the porch, is it like
Just the front area.
where is the entrance? The main door? The entrance side?
Macam ni. This is the door. So they got macam ni.
Bring my
Like the way they have to propose one. Is it like this or like this? I
Okay,
don't know.
lah.
But they have space. So this one is the porch lah. So the way I see it, you have this one. So with this one, you
There's an opening there.
So like the porch you can have smoke and stuff. Social.
Yeah. So like. So.
So actually it's like because we orientate this one right, because we plan to open like 2 openings here right, so that they can just look at the area. Yeah.
This window, is it?
window.
Yeah, like those floor to ceiling windows.
Okay.
So that's why we orientate like this, and then the restroom is here and the pantry is here. So those ventilation thing will go to trellis and cover.
Is that this trellis? The whole
Yeah.
thing is trellis or
Yeah, whole thing like
trellis here?
Trellis with pergola kot. Trellis is just
Pergola
that.
lah.
Trellis doesn't have any
oh, sometimes
roof structure.
the time we search trellis then got that pergola also.
So trellis with pergola. But what you have below that pergola? It's just sitting or what?
No sitting lah, it's like the
So
other
they want
plants
to do the
lah.
collection of plants now lah. Initially the idea, but
So this is the sitting area looking there. Just with
But the way you put your proposed site here is actually occupied the lake already.
on the lake.
so this is to cover up that.
To like the lake view is.
No, if you propose here, if let's say this is
Is it according to scale?
Yes, actually we
Your side, that one.
This one.
Yeah, is it according to scale? 25 by 20, right? Is it on the land, but is it according to?
it's just like roughly.
This
yeah,
is
roughly
just
only.
like covering like because the reason why we cover like partly a little bit of the lake is to like tell you that this is the lake. This is what you can see.
Can, but if you want to put here, is already lake
No,
area.
actually, no, we are not coming there.
It's on the land, right?
Yeah, it's on the land.
Okay, so it's
On the land.
confusing.
It's not going to cover like the lake view also.
Okay, so like, yeah, when they first enter here, they will see like the water feature. It provides like
Sense of like relaxing.
You already have lake. Very big one lake.
That's why, but they are blocking the lake at the moment.
That's the
right?
problem. You have to have another water feature in order to create that sense. Might as well you use whatever you have. That one is naturally the natural element in your area.
Maybe
That's
that's
why,
why you can rotate
yeah.
your office.
If you have a very big area of the lake, you have just reoriented your space or whatever, rearrange, and then you can occupy like 100% of the lake area within your space. To people can go like
Maybe,
appreciate.
yeah, the office can shift at the right side, so the view we can get straight for the lake.
Because you have a very small office. Okay, might as well you wanna do your work outside. It's better, right? Rather than you be locked in the room. With the window, I'm okay with the window. But then,
They can appreciate.
yeah, I think you can appreciate more if you be in outside. So might as well you have like a big sitting area or gazebo, like more convenient for your staff. As long as this one is actually, since you're doing more for the staff, right? So probably they can do the work outside rather than being locked. So more space, like more to I don't know, like you can do work, kind of stuff. Could be okay, I think.
like more hardscapes for them to do.
It's like, they
If
can
like okay,
access.
you have pergola over here, right? Probably you can cover the pergola from raining and all, okay, but you still have the planting on top of it. So below that you can provide seating with big table ke, I don't know. So you do work for discussion. You have enough. I don't know lah. It's just like a rough idea for me lah. The way I see, because I'm okay with the idea of this space is actually meant for the staff. So which means visitor would be not, we will be just focusing here kan visitor. So you have more specifically on the staff. So you can have more approach for more to the staff lah. So you can have a lot of ideas to them. They can enjoy the space themselves. Tak ada, tak ada
Space is for the
ada visitor lain.
officer,
Kan, it could be okay.
But another purpose why we place it here is because it's to help diverge the direction. People will either know whether they would like to come here or they would like to go that.
Who is the people?
Like
In
the
case there's a visitor want to make appointment with our manager,
Okay.
so they have some big meeting lah.
so it's actually a diverging point.
I don't think it actually can act like what you say just now, because it's in the middle. Okay, you put that tree for shading. It's actually in a way will block the facade of the building.
It's quite tall lah.
You see, when you say quite tall, so what's the height of your building? And this is actually already planting. If you stand here, you still can't see the overall view. If you sit here, if you stand here, you can have that one, but might as well you are providing more far walkaway to the area. Okay? If this one like from far you have like very huge, I don't know, walkaway, you can have that one. Tapi you have this one from here, so you might as well, I think 10 meter or 15 meter, more or less lah. This one quite big. It will be like macam cramped and crowded, I would say. Okay, what else?
And also our location of the site. The reason why we put it here is because if you notice, this is actually the car park from our previous and it will be easier for the office people or for any visitor. It's because right after they come out from the cars and right after they enter the park, they can notice our park visitor center right away, so that it will be easier access. And then So round here is our seafood restaurant and also a place where they can buy drinks and rest. So that once they exit here, they can go straight to the seafood restaurant.
Exit from where? From the orange box.
Yeah.
It's like we place here so that they can grab some food during the lunch hour time.
During the lunch hour
We
time.
have
For the
more-
staff lah.
Yes, the staff. You don't
Okay,
have
that
to-
one okay. Just like this one tak kena. Yalah, rubbish bin sama.
Ashtray, because it's
I know, but all of a sudden you put a steel.
It has to be material, has to be
Material
the
though.
tropical
Oh,
concept.
so wooden type.
Yeah. Introduce wooden.
I think you not really understand the tropical concept sebenarnya. Okay, because some of the element that you propose, some like pavement, is not tropical. Obviously, not really.
Why don't you use back the botanic name to your concept? Because you're introducing more like
The
flower.
botanic concept.
Yeah, botanic garden concept instead of tropical garden because you're applying more like the botanic plants, right? Instead of tropical. Because tropical is quite general.
You can have the combination of tropical, botanic, I don't know lah. But
yeah,
but botanic is more like macam more flowery.
It relates back to your
Science tea.
yeah, science.
Okay, so amend a little bit of your bubble and conceptual, then you can start doing your individual.
And the softscape as well.
Yeah, the softscape, a few can maintain, but the rest that can ni lah.
And your north point should always point it up, right? So meaning that you need to rotate your drawing, not to your north rotate according to your drawing.
Are you sure this one is money plant?
Yeah.
Dia got name kan? Money plant tu plant kecil-kecil.
This is general name.
General.